Yeah, a little video. What is ascension? Ascension comes from the verb to ascend, which also means to uplift or to rise. And what it means is to uplift or raise our energy, our frequency and vibration, and our mood, our overall mental well-being and emotional well-being, and our overall health, overall body, mind, spirit. And some tips at this beautiful beach in Ireland is to get out in nature every day and get out at the crack of dawn. That's what I do. And see the sunrise. But to do things like sun gazing for the first hour or last hour, and to listen to the waves. This is all meditative. So to heal from depression, or to simply get a lot happier and peaceful in life, we've got to look after our needs: physical, mental, emotional, social, spiritual. Things like being part of or connected to the community and other people, being of service to some people, like worldwide, be it the internet or in your community, especially like in person. So a lot of people I find on the spiritual path, we are too isolated, and it would really benefit us if we kept in touch with our either friends or family or soul family. Soul family is just another word for people who you resonate with and you connect with, you feel happy with, you see eye to eye for the most part. Basically speaking, there's a spiritual connection as souls to them and vice versa. Obviously you have a connection to your family too, but sometimes basically soul family basically there to, like, for the most part in this context, to uplift each other and to be friends, basically speaking. That's a different topic, we'll talk more about that. But yeah, if you want to like be really prosperous in life, apart from healing your past and the mental and emotional aspect of healing from the past, it's important to meet your social needs. For example, visiting your friend's house or vice versa, or going for walks in nature, or collaborating and doing acts of service together, such as making videos or community work like helping the elderly or babysitting dogs, or like minding your neighbour's children if you're friends with them, and vice versa. It could be anything, you know, writing a book, any active service. So it's important to exercise. Enough exercise, but not too much, will help cure depression, heal depression, should I say. Heal is the best word. And to recalibrate the balance. So heal depression, and deep depression, like depressed, comes from the word deep rest. So you need a lot of like finding yourself, soul searching, finding yourself, find out what makes you happy and tick. So deep rest, lots of sleep and rest is very important to be happy and well. Otherwise you'll be grumpy and tired. Simple. Exercise has been also shown to help depression, way better than drugs, and like tons, like massive percentage of 80%. Anyway, whatever. It's kind of like we all know when we feel good, so we've got to listen to our emotions, like what makes us feel good, what makes us feel bad. It's very simple in that regard, my friends. It's not complicated. It doesn't have to even be scientific. It doesn't have to be like mathematical with numbers and statistics and studies. A lot of them are flawed anyway, but it's common sense. It's simple. You are a divine being, and when you get in touch with that, then you'll be way happier. So there's many aspects, not just getting in touch with feeling the magic and the beauty and the wonder that you are, which is true. We all are. We're not separate from God or source of the universe. We are it and part of it. We are it. And there's a certain sense of bubbliness and joy that comes with that. It's not just a belief, it's a feeling. And you can get in touch with that by just thinking about it more, feeling into it more, going within, and stuff like meditating and being in nature. So I'm not sure what the wind is like with this. Maybe I should check it. Here's a little river. I'll jump over it. Let's do it. Woo! I did it, my friends. So what else? Body, mind, spirit. Spiritual is like self-work. So meeting our spiritual needs will help us to that means like the satisfaction and fulfillment of personal growth. So that means learning your lessons in life, learning from and your experiences in life, gaining experience and growing. Inner work, inner reflection, study, self-study, self-investigation, just looking over your day and your life, checking out where you're going amiss and where you could go more in the sweet spot of accurate heart-centeredness as well, and just better functional living. So, another just flicking back and forth, sun gazing and sunbathing is really good for your hormones and neurotransmitters. Oh, very good for sexual well-being as well, and just overall sexual health and energy too. So enough but not too much to your level. Do sunbathing. Don't forget, don't get burned. Common sense here. Mental needs. I love to play chess and I love to learn. So that meets my mental and learning meets my mental and spiritual needs to grow, to evolve, to get better, so to speak, to expand, to evolve. And chess meets my mental need for challenge and stimulation and like challenge, like it's challenging. That gives me a certain degree of like tension or like stress, like happy, stressful tension, where it gives me a goal or a motivation or a challenge. It expands me. I like the reward of getting better or learning at chess too. Being of service, I help people by making videos, making social media posts, answering personal questions, and then writing books. That's my main like worldly service. So it reaches like a lot of people, obviously. But we can all, like, other people are quiet, introverted, to do other things. Like, just it could be anything. So I'm just giving you my example. Other people could be like a mechanic, plumber, a babysitter, making clothes, or cool other creative ideas. But it could be anything, basically speaking. Picking up litter on the beach. That's beautiful. So yeah, I think that's more or less body, mind, spirit, social. Yeah, that's more or less it. Exercise, sleep, rest. Yeah, diet, of course, more natural food, less processed, less chemical, more organic as possible. Even if you don't eat organic, just eat more raw food. And more, that's for everybody. Like more fruits, especially the best. Ripe fruits, can't be crap quality fruits. It should be tasty and satisfying and enjoyable. So the fruits, and then stuff like the salads or the nut milks or the raw bars, like whatever you kind of want to do, made from like dates and nuts, like that type of stuff. Whatever works for you, depending on your level of previous diet and health. I love being here, it's so great. Hope the wind doesn't ruin this video. Oh well, if it doesn't matter. I made a brilliant video earlier. I did all this in around 3 minutes earlier, 4 minutes, and I didn't even press the record button. It was in a forest, but it wasn't meant to be. But yeah, be happy, express yourself. Another form of happiness is to express your individuality. Be yourself. Don't be afraid of your family, your teachers, your friends, society telling you what to do. Live true to yourself and say what you want to say, but also try and live from your heart, not reckless saying. But yeah, just do your best. We're all doing our best. Nobody's perfect, perfectly imperfect. And yeah, express your authenticity and individuality. How you speak, the clothes you wear, where you live, the car you buy, or the bicycle you buy, or the rollerblades or the shoes you wear, whatever you want to do. The things you design, the gardens you design, kind of the plants that you help to grow. Anyway, my friends, lots of love. Better go. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining me. Woo!